This jump demonstration shows how to create the second quality tool, a histogram. Our team is trying to solve a quality problem in our injection molding process. I've got data on different types of defects over shifts and cavities. I've set up a data filter to show only those batches with defects. To create the interactive histogram, I'll go to Analyze, then Distribution. I'll select Shift, Cavity, and Defect Type, then click Y Columns, then click OK. Clicking on bars selects the corresponding rows in the data table, which highlights those observations in other bars. Cavity 3 is responsible for all the short shot defects on all 3 shifts.